At Data V Tech Solutions Company Limited, we are proud to be Epicor Software Corporation's strategic partner. With over 20 years of experience and a broad presence in Vietnam, Australia, and Hong Kong, we are a team of top-tier experts in ERP deployment and software development. We provide end-to-end digital transformation solutions tailored to manufacturing and distribution businesses. Our offerings include Epicor Kinetic ERP, machine connectivity through Epicor Advanced MES, MATEC, intelligent document management with Epicor ECM, DocStar, and mobile solutions for maintenance and smart warehouse operations. Our ERP consulting and implementation services are designed to boost cross-functional efficiency in procurement, sales, inventory, production, and quality management, while maximizing the value of your operational data. With Epicor Advanced MES, shop floor leaders gain real-time machine data, OEE, energy usage, production rates, and downtime metrics to drive smarter decisions. Our ECM solution automates document capture using machine learning and OCR technology, transforming paper-based documents such as invoices and quotes into digital data directly in your ERP system. It also enables structured filing, document templating, and multi-level approval workflows. Our mobile app Pocket V allows on-site equipment maintenance and barcode-based data entry from anywhere, enhancing field agility and warehouse operations. We provide flexible solution designs to meet the specific needs of each industry, including metalworking and fabrication, rubber and plastic manufacturing, packaging production, pharmaceuticals and medical devices, automotive components, furnitures and fixtures, food processing, consumer goods, garment and textile, chemical and mining industries. These flexible solutions grow with your business as it scales across markets, expands teams, or diversifies operations. Data V Tech delivers competitive advantages to Epicor users through integrated technologies, enabling seamless data exchange across all platforms. Our experienced consultants turn your vision into a scalable, future-ready digital architecture, ensuring high performance and long-term value. When it comes to ERP upgrades, we maximize system tools to minimize downtime and optimize user experience. Our comprehensive support services includes pre-, during, and post-project, tailored to your needs. From onboarding new users to training advanced functionality, our programs empower your team to master Epicor systems. We focus on user independence, continuous learning, and expert-guided self-discovery to build internal tech confidence and long-term operational excellence. Additionally, we accommodate your various needs with hardware and software installation, database services as well as IT infrastructure architecture and management. What truly sets Data V Tech apart is our team, 100% Epicor-certified consultants with deep experience across multinational projects. We were among the first in Vietnam to work with Epicor Kinetic, formerly known as Epicor Enterprise and Vantage, in the early 2000s. Today, our specialists cover all areas, manufacturing operations, distribution, and financial accounting, under Vietnamese, Australian, other country standards and international frameworks such as GAAP and IFRS. Our technical team brings expertise in networking, server configuration, database management, software development, and machine integration, ensuring a comprehensive and reliable implementation journey with your team. This commitment to excellence has earned Data V Tech consistently high satisfaction ratings from clients and partners alike. Now is the time to seize the opportunities of the digital era. Let Data V Tech be your companion who accompanies you to breakthrough growth with the most advanced business software solutions available. Because your success is our success. We are here to walk with you, every step of the way.